It is January 2025, and if you happen to refresh BullX Neo and you had your NovaClick extension installed on it, you may notice that you're getting the suspicious extension detected error again. uBlock and AdBlock or any of the ad blocker workarounds are not working for you anymore, and you're seeing this error. We're going to walk through steps to correct this error. Or even if you've used the user script workaround and you're like, why am I still getting this error? You're going to want to do a fresh install and follow these steps. So if you use any of the prior workarounds and it's still getting this error for you, please ensure that you remove all the extensions so that you can start fresh. So to start, you're going to want to ensure that you go to your extensions manager page. So if you're in Chrome, go to Chrome // extensions, and Vivaldi, it's just going to be // extension or shift, etc. Any of the Chrome-based browsers, you're going to manage your extensions by entering access your extensions page. If you have developer mode toggled off, you're going to want to ensure that you have it toggled on. Click here to ensure that it is now toggled on. Now that you have developer mode toggled on for your extensions, you're going to go back to the Chrome Webstore. Ensure that you have NovaClick disabled for this user script injection process. You can use any user script manager of your choice. There's Violetmonkey, there's Tampermonkey. In this case, I'll start with Tampermonkey as that's the instructions that most people have been given and are having trouble with. So I am going to ensure that I have developer mode on, I have NovaClick disabled. I'm going back to installing Tampermonkey extension. That icon is going to pop up. Click here to create a new script. Go to this paste bin link, copy the raw JavaScript code, back to your script editor window, clear the current selection. So select all, delete. You'll enter the new code file, save. We can see now that this is enabled. So again, ensure that you've saved it. Now go back to BullX Neo. You can enable NovaClick now. It'll refresh the page. And as you can see, you are able to see the snipe button again for NovaClick. So you're back to having it work. If you're wondering what this information is at the bottom, this is another extension called Potion Vision that I have installed that helps me as I can see dev history and information as well as bundle analytics all in one page. Those were the steps to correct the BullX Neo NovaClick suspicious extension detected error as of January 2020. So again, if you are still getting this error with Tampermonkey installed, you're going to want to clear it, do a fresh install, and ensure that you have developer mode on and NovaClick disabled prior to going through those installation steps. If you're not sure how to do that, hit remove extension, ensure that you have disabled Nova, go to your extensions, confirm that you have developer mode on, then add Tampermonkey back in if you're having problems. And that's how you would correct that issue as of January 2025. If you're interested in Potion Vision, check out my video on Potion Vision where it walks through how to install it and get started. If you have any questions on fixing that, feel free to drop it in the comments and I'll try to help you out as best as I can.